Hello, I just thought I'd rattle off another video for you, just showing you how to do things on the Club Motorhome website. And this video is about how to post on the forums. There's several places to put bits and pieces that you want to include on the site, but the forum is the most traditional way that people are aware of. So this is how you actually put a post on our forums. You can post from any page. So for this example, we'll just go to the timeline, which is your page. And you can see that you're on your page. You just go to the menu, select forums, select post a new topic. Once you're in the topic, you just look to perhaps put a title, which we'll call it admin test post. When you type that out, you just go down to your category, choose your category that's most appropriate. Motorhome chat will do, so we'll leave it at that. And then go down to the dialog box where you type the actual content of your post. And in this post we'll include a photograph. So when you finish typing, or where you want to put the photograph, you just press return, go down to the bottom, upload your file, which will be a photograph in this case, from wherever you've stored it on your device. We'll just pick one of a Motorhome deadlock, and we've put it on, and we're now going to insert it into the file itself. Instead of, you can just leave it as an attachment if you want, or you can insert it like I've just done. Once that's been done, you can add a tag if you want the subject to be found easily in the future. Completely optional, you don't need to, but it's sometimes easier to go back and find subjects that have tags associated with them. So we'll just put deadlock for the sake of this one. So with the tag attached, we can then submit, and within a couple of seconds your discussion has been created. So to see that, we'll go to forums, and you'll see underneath the featured posts, you'll see an admin test post, which is the one we just did. So when you open that, you can see there's the photograph and the small amount of typing that we did. That's it, ever so easy. We'll look at the your page again just to show that it also appears on the timeline, as everything that happens on the site builds up on that timeline in real time. So that was how to post a topic on our forums. Pretty straightforward. It was filmed in real time and took just a little over 2 minutes. Obviously it'll take longer if you type more, but you can see it's a very quick process. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and there'll be further tutorials in due course. But for now, cheers for now.